What started as a routine court appearance quickly turned into one of the strangest hearings this judge had seen in a long time. A sovereign declaration, arguments about legal identities, and a courtroom confrontation that nobody saw coming. Stay until the end because this only gets more unbelievable from here.
Court does call the case of the People versus Cartier-Raines.
And for that was the People.
And Laura Yagi, Assistant Public Defender with and on behalf of Cartier-Raines. Mr. James, can you unmute yourself and state your name for the court?
Also files with this block.
Carbon.
He did. He said something. Mr. Drains, can you state your name, please?
I, Cartier Armani Drains, hereby declare that I am a living, breathing human being, a natural person distinct from any legal or corporate entity or fiction. I do not consent to be represented or binded by any assumed legal identity or straw man. I assert my full rights under natural law and constitutional protection as a sovereign individual. I stand before this court to represent myself. All legal matters pertaining to the charges brought against me. I reject any notion or claim that my person may be divided, operated or substituted by any separate legal entity. I affirm that all statements.
And just like that, the courtroom gets the full sovereign citizen playbook, living man, natural person, strawman theory, the whole package. The problem? Courts across America have heard these arguments thousands of times, and they almost never change the outcome of a case.
Evidence and arguments I present are made on behalf of my living self, fully understanding my rights and responsibilities as a free individual.
Hey, you finished? All right, the court on its own motion is going to adjourn this because we're going to have an issue here. I have a feeling. I'm going to adjourn this probable cause hearing next week, August 7th. That's at 9 a.m. That is in person. He must be here so that I can hear him clearly in terms of what he wishes to say to me. Bond at this time will continue. Thank you.
I'll follow up with you. Thank you.
Does call the case of the People versus Stephen Javon.
Anna Mackey on behalf of Mr. Javon, who's approaching.
Big DA had my social security backwards and everything. Had me at the wrong birthday. I was born on Christmas, 12/25/66.
If you ever took that for the People.
Your Honor, we're requesting to adjourn this matter.
State your name for the record, sir.
Red Kraken. I haven't had any income or nothing. They shut down. I didn't put my name at this. I didn't put my birthday.
Hang on a second, sir. Have you ever gone by the name of Stephen Javon?
Yeah, they had me listed at that name. That's my.
They had that listed as your name, but you're saying your name is something different now?
They had me listed at that name. I didn't know. I woke up from what they were doing to me. I had attempts to kill me, man. I hadn't had a night's sleep or nothing. Right now, my health is down, man. I'm suffering from a gunshot wound from segregation, in which I'm still going through stuff. I left a hospital with open wounds. Something happened.
Okay, but I just
not too long ago. And then you were part of something. I'm really excited conflict of interest with this. I'm really just deciding to kill this case, man. Because this case is, they got me the last day of the art fair. The last day of the art fair, I'm asking you to kill the case.
What art fair?
That's what happened to me. They made a false report and they got me.
Okay, all right.
Crazy stuff.
Hold on. At some point, I myself or some other judge will hear all of your complaints. I just need to know, do I have the person in front of me that this complaint pertains to? So that's why I'm asking you. You've been known by the name Stephen Javon before at some point, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Counsel, what do you want to do on this?
Approach, please.
No.
Maybe
I can't keep
approach.
going because I ain't had no income. I can't keep going that stuff with it. Just doing stuff. I mean, I've had two.
This is gonna be important. It's okay. Yeah, come on.
This is an open and shut state. I shouldn't be.
Go ahead. Okay, what are we, record to reflect, you had a brief bench conference in this case. What are we doing with this?
This is the moment the hearing
I
takes a
just
serious
need to
turn.
know,
A competency
do
evaluation
I
isn't
have
about
the
guilt or
person
innocence,
in
it's
front
about
of
whether a
me
defendant is mentally able
that
to
this
understand the proceedings and assist in their own
complaint
defense. And based
So
on what the
that's
court
why
has
I'm
heard so
asking
far,
you.
prosecutors are about to make a major request.
Your Honor, the people would like to request that there is an order for a competency evaluation. That is on a people's motion. I think that given what we've just heard from the defendant, it's an appropriate request at this time.
Any statement?
Evaluation, and they almost killed me. Man,
Sir,
let's get me out this room, man. They almost killed me, man.
Sir,
I can't keep going through this, man.
sir.
I'm not gonna go
Sir.
through no evaluation because I got an education, man. I'm not going through that no more.
Sir.
You did this last time to me, man. It's already a conflict of interest. Yeah. I'm just saying.
I'm gonna say,
you got-
sir, I'm gonna say,
Now,
sir, one
I
more
had a
time.
Reaction to that, man.
Sir,
Almost was dead from that allergic reaction, man. You and Collins, man. Already a conflict of interest.
I'm gonna order a competency evaluation, parental
I'm ordering you
evaluation.
for a competency evaluation, man. Pretty, I'm finna sue y'all, man.
you wanna know
I leave
what?
here.
You keep talking, we're gonna have a problem.
I'm
Because
not
I'm
gonna
gonna
get no
get- I'm
evaluation
gonna
from
get
you.
through-
You're not gonna do
I'm
to
gonna
be
get
a
through this hearing.
Yeah.
All right?
Not
If
gonna-
you don't wanna conduct yourself appropriately, then we'll sit you in back until you can come out and conduct yourself appropriately.
I ain't going to no competency evaluation. I don't need no competency. I had medication I shouldn't even have in me. Almost
I'm gonna
died,
let you
man.
go
I'm not
on
gonna
and try
be
to
in
get
no,
it
I'm
all
not gonna
out.
be under no pressure with no medication. I'm not gonna be taking something that I'm not.
All right, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I've given you 2 warnings.
Maybe
2 warnings
approach.
later, the judge has heard enough. In courtroom proceedings, refusing instructions and repeatedly interrupting the judge can quickly
This is
shift
gonna
the
be
focus from your
important.
defense to your
Okay.
behavior.
Yeah,
The question
come
is,
on.
did this hearing ever have a chance of ending any differently?
I'm gonna pass the matter. Mr. Allen, you can place him in back. I will decide on what his bond is and everything else. You need to go with my bailiff, sir.
Man, you sitting there. I'm finna
You need
do
to
it.
go with
Okay.
him. Call
I'm a-
security, call security down.
Courtroom the same way, but- Man, that's what the same way you a part of something that did something to me, man. all the time.
You guys might wanna go check back there. That, I don't know what's gonna happen.
That's his back.
What?
Backpack.
What about his backpack?
Oh, it's your backpack? Oh, I was like,
You can take it home with you. I'm not, well, they'll get it.
yeah.
Just leave it there. I am not worried about that backpack.
Should be.
I'll pass this matter and we'll come back to it,
Thank you.
maybe.
Don't make it.